Now Verona van der Leur of the Netherlands.
I think many people will be surprised to see this young lady and the great success that this country has had. Most recently at the World Championships, they've had a rapid rise to the top of the world podium.
And beautiful Stalter work, super extended body.
Reminds me a little bit of Svetlana Horkina. She's been one of the more consistent athletes.
Oh,
wow.
And that,
just as I say it.
Golly, that's too bad, because that was really a beautiful routine. I have been so impressed by this young lady. The difficulty, watch this.
Difficult dismount,
two twists.
That's a shame.
Verona van der Leur of the Netherlands.
This is a Stalter on the low bar. She does a Higgins turn, and her legs just come out of that position. If you're not balanced exactly right, then the forces they just yank your legs out, and that's what happened.